What are the health benefits of fasting? Fasting means consuming no calories in a specified time frame. It might be intermittent or prolonged. Fasting can last anywhere from a few hours to several days or weeks. It's good for your health because it gives you many health benefits if you do it right and healthily. Hi there viewers, in today's video, we'll be talking about the top 6 health benefits of fasting. Weight loss. Fasting is one of the most efficient and safest ways to lose weight. When you fast, your body allows you to use fat rather than sugars as its primary energy source. Ketosis is the name for this process, and it can help you lose weight. Fasting also keeps you from overeating because it controls the level of hunger hormone called ghrelin. Many athletes now use fasting to lower their body fat percentages to compete. Boost brain function. Researchers have found that fasting is good for your brain and body. In many ways, fasting makes your brain work better. First, when you fast, your brain produces more of a hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is essential for learning and memory. Fasting has also been linked to better focus and concentration and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Improved heart health. Heart disease is regarded as the leading cause of death worldwide. Fasting has several cardiovascular benefits. It can help improve cardiac function and, in some cases, reverse cardiomyopathy. Fasting also helps lower blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels in the body, and the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. These factors have been linked to a higher risk of heart disease. Skincare. Fasting has many beneficial effects on your skin. Intermittent fasting may improve skin health indirectly by regulating food glucose and gut flora. The latter may help with acne and eczema. Better control of your blood sugar and insulin sensitivity in the whole body can stop the harmful glycosylation of proteins like collagen in blood vessels and skin, which helps keep collagen and elastin in the dermis. Reduced blood pressure. Hypertension or high blood pressure affects almost half of all Americans and makes people more likely to develop serious health problems. A healthy blood pressure is essential because high levels can harm your heart, brain, kidneys, and eyes. Several studies have found intermittent fasting may help lower your high blood pressure. Improved immune system. Fasting has several effects on your immune system. Fasting stimulates the body's regeneration of old cells. This rejuvenation improves immune function. Research shows that fasting can cause the immune system to rebuild itself and cause the body to make brand new white blood cells that are better at fighting disease. It's essential to remember that fasting isn't for everyone, and you should talk to a doctor before starting one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Thank you.